guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the smoky eyes. I mean, it's really easy, it's very simple, and you can also do it at home. If you like to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with my eyes. I have done my brows. So for this look, I'm going to be concealing my eyes with this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a little bit and just spreading it all across my eyes. See, I'm going to be doing a smoky look, so that's why I'm going to be applying my foundation and all later, because it's black, so it can have fallout. Okay, so yeah, and I'm just going to blend this. For blending, I'm going to be using this taper kind of brush, so it's just to make sure that everything spreads well. Just going to place it on my lid. You should have a good base for a good eye makeup, so I'm just going to set this in place and I'll be back. So for the next step, I'm gonna just set my eyes with this Maybelline Fit Me compact using a brush like this, just setting it with powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna start smoking out my eyes. So I'm gonna be using this Nykaa kajal for this. Just going to apply this. Now I'm just going to blend this using this brush. I'm just going to blend this really well. Make sure you don't go with your crease, okay? Don't do this. I'm going to take this brush. This is a little bit dense brush, and I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Awakening palette. I just love this palette, and I'm going to use this black color from this one. I'm going to take a little bit. I'm just going to dust the excess particles, and I'm just going to smooth this out a bit more. What I'm just going to do is I'm just going to add more definition to this look. Just going to, I was doing first eye, just complete this eye. Take this in circular motion, so just clean it off and just take this in circular motions. Starting from the outer corner, bring it up to your crease and take this in circular motion. See? So this is how it looks after you smoke it out. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this, maroon type color and just smoke this even more. Just I'm going to apply it on my crease. Add more definition. Always start with the outer corner and then just work your way inwards. See that? It just gives a lot of dimension to your eyes. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to use this transition shade to just smoke everything out. Just a little bit, and from the top just smoke everything. everything out. So I did my foundation and my concealer. Now I'm gonna just smoke out the under eye, my under eye. So what I'm gonna be using is I'm gonna be using the same Nykaa kajal and just use it in my waterline. Of course, it would look good if you use this. Now I'm gonna smoke out my under eye too using this dense brush. Just I'm gonna use this same maroon shade to just make this look perfect. So I'm gonna highlight my inner eyes. For that I'm gonna be using white kind of highlighter. You see, that's so gorgeous. It just brightens up your face. I mean, brightens up your eyes. Just opens up your eyes. You see that? It's so beautiful. And I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone. I hope you like this video, and if you did, then give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. And if you're new here, hi, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. Stay tuned, stay safe. Bye bye.